A cluttered woodshop doesn't just look messy. It quietly steals your time, your focus, and your creativity. Whether you're a DIY home decor maker or running a small woodworking business, organization isn't about having more storage. It's about having the right systems. In this video, we're breaking down 50 creative woodshop organization ideas that save space, improve workflow, and make every project feel easier from start to finish. These ideas aren't about expensive cabinets or perfect showrooms. They're about real workshops, small spaces, and setups that actually work. Let's start with the most important principle behind all 50 ideas. Organization should support how you work, not fight against it. If your setup forces you to stop, search, reset, or clean constantly, it's costing you time and energy. One of the simplest and most powerful ideas is organizing tools by frequency of use. Tools you grab every session should live within arm's reach of your main workbench. Tools you use occasionally can be stored farther away. This single change can save dozens of steps every day. Vertical storage is another high-impact idea. Walls are often the most underused part of a workshop. Pegboards, wall racks, and slat systems keep tools visible, accessible, and off your work surface. Visibility matters more than symmetry. When you can see your tools, you remember what you own and how often you use it. This reduces duplicate purchases and speeds up every task. Workbench organization plays a huge role in productivity. A crowded bench slows everything down. One of the most effective ideas is creating a dedicated, clear working zone, keeping only the tools needed for the current task on the surface. Mobile storage is a game changer, especially in small workshops. Rolling carts, movable cabinets, and portable tool caddies allow your space to adapt to different projects instead of forcing you to adapt to the space. Material storage deserves just as much attention as tool storage. Vertical lumber storage saves floor space and makes selecting wood faster and safer. Sorting by size or type prevents digging through piles. Small parts organization is essential for efficiency. Screws, nails, bolts, and hardware should be sorted, labeled, and easy to access. Clear containers work especially well because they eliminate guesswork. Cord and cable management is one of the most overlooked organization ideas. Tangled cords waste time and create safety hazards. Simple hooks or wall-mounted holders keep cords ready without clutter. Lighting is another hidden productivity tool. Good lighting improves accuracy, reduces mistakes, and makes your entire workshop feel more manageable. Task lighting at workstations is far more effective than relying on one overhead light. Zoning your workshop improves workflow instantly. Separating areas for cutting, assembly, sanding, and finishing reduces backtracking and keeps projects moving smoothly. Labeling systems may feel basic, but they prevent confusion, especially when multiple projects are active. Labels don't need to be fancy, they just need to be clear. Modular storage systems are one of the smartest long-term organization ideas. Fixed systems often become limiting, while modular units grow with your skills and projects. Jigs and templates should never be buried. These are time-saving tools, so storing them flat, labeled, and visible makes repeat work faster and more accurate. A daily or end-of-session reset routine prevents clutter from building up. Even 5 minutes of cleanup can save hours over the course of a week. Minimalism isn't about owning less. It's about removing friction. If an item hasn't been used in months, it may not deserve prime storage space. For DIY home decor makers, organization directly affects creativity. When tools and materials are easy to reach, ideas flow faster and projects feel enjoyable instead of overwhelming. For small woodworking businesses, organization affects profit. Faster setups, fewer mistakes, and smoother workflows translate directly into better output and less burnout. Open storage works better than closed storage for frequently used tools. When tools are visible, they get put back more often and used more efficiently. Shadow outlines or designated tool spots reduce decision fatigue. You always know where things go, and missing tools are immediately obvious. Keeping consumables grouped together prevents unnecessary trips across the workshop. Sandpaper, glue, and finishes should live near where they're used. Project-based organization is another powerful idea. Keeping materials and tools for a specific build together reduces interruptions and mental overload. Using wall space above and below, eye level maximizes storage without crowding your main work area. Dedicated bins for offcuts prevent waste and keep scrap from taking over the shop. Clear pathways improve safety and workflow. A well-organized workshop allows you to move freely without navigating obstacles. Sound organization matters too. Keeping noisy tools grouped away from assembly or detail areas improves focus. Storing measuring and marking tools together reduces errors and speeds up layout work. A simple checklist system ensures tools return to their proper place after each session. Hooks and magnetic strips are ideal for lightweight, frequently used tools. Keeping finishes and chemicals stored safely but accessibly prevents spills and delays. Adjustable shelving allows storage to change as your projects change. Organizing by task instead of tool type can significantly speed up complex builds. A clean floor is part of organization. Fewer tripping hazards mean fewer interruptions. The best organization systems are easy to maintain. If a system is hard to use, it won't last. Start small. Improve one area at a time. Even one drawer or one wall section can transform how your shop feels. When your workshop supports your workflow, projects move faster, mistakes decrease, and creativity takes center stage. That's the real goal of these 50 organization ideas. Not perfection, but progress.